So I learned that if I cry for having lost a son, tears will keep me from seeing the moon. I learned that the night is darkest for those who cannot wait. And I learned that the sun will rise soon enough for those who are patient. Any definition of a successful life must include serving others. My mother told me that happiness is something you cannot keep unless you give it away. I learned to hope, to dream, because I've heard what Robert Gott said. It is difficult to say what is impossible, for the dream of yesterday is the hope of today and the reality of tomorrow.